Hello and welcome to Bitcoin Dorks, your daily source of cryptocurrency news and market updates. Today, we'll be discussing an interesting development in the world of Bitcoin. A report from Bank of America that suggests an increase in personal wallet hoarding is supporting a potential rally in the cryptocurrency's price. According to the report, there has been a significant increase in the number of Bitcoin held in personal wallets, which are wallets not associated with exchanges or other custodial services. This increase in hoarding suggests that investors are becoming more confident in Bitcoin's long-term prospects and are therefore choosing to hold onto their Bitcoin rather than sell it for short-term gains. This trend is significant because it has the potential to create a supply shortage of Bitcoin, which could drive up the price of the cryptocurrency. If more investors are holding onto their Bitcoin rather than selling it, there will be fewer Bitcoin available on the market, which could lead to a price increase due to the laws of supply and demand. This is not the first time we've seen an increase in personal wallet hoarding of Bitcoin. In fact, this trend has been on the rise since late 2020, when the price of Bitcoin started to climb rapidly. As the price continued to rise, more and more investors began to see Bitcoin as a valuable asset and started to hoard it in their personal wallets. The Bank of America report also suggests that institutional investors are playing a role in this trend. According to the report, there has been a significant increase in the number of Bitcoin held by institutional investors such as hedge funds and investment firms. This suggests that these investors see Bitcoin as a valuable long-term investment and are therefore holding onto their Bitcoin rather than selling it. Of course, there are other factors at play that could affect the price of Bitcoin in the coming months. One of the biggest is regulatory uncertainty, as governments around the world grapple with how to regulate cryptocurrencies. If governments start to clamp down on Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, it could lead to a decrease in demand and a corresponding drop in price. Another factor to consider is the ongoing competition between Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. While Bitcoin remains the most popular cryptocurrency by far, there are many other cryptocurrencies that are gaining traction and could potentially challenge Bitcoin's dominance. If one of these cryptocurrencies were to gain widespread adoption, it could affect the demand for Bitcoin and its price. Despite these potential headwinds, the Bank of America report suggests that the trend towards personal wallet hoarding is a positive sign for the future of Bitcoin. If more investors continue to see Bitcoin as a valuable long-term investment and are willing to hold onto it rather than sell it for short-term gains, it could create a strong foundation for future price growth. Firstly, let's define what we mean by personal wallet hoarding. A personal wallet is a type of cryptocurrency wallet that is not held on an exchange or other custodial service. It is a self-custody wallet that allows individuals to hold and manage their own cryptocurrency without the need for a third party. Personal wallets are often considered to be more secure than exchange wallets, as they give users full control over their own private keys. Hoarding, on the other hand, refers to the practice of holding onto a valuable asset for an extended period of time with the expectation of future price appreciation. In the case of Bitcoin, hoarding refers to individuals holding onto their Bitcoin for a longer period of time rather than selling it for short-term gains. So why are we seeing an increase in personal wallet hoarding of Bitcoin? One reason is that Bitcoin has become increasingly popular as a long-term investment. Many investors see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and believe that its limited supply and decentralized nature make it a valuable asset to hold onto for the long term. As a result, they are choosing to hold onto their Bitcoin in personal wallets rather than selling it for short-term gains. Another reason is driving the trend of personal wallet hoarding is the increasing interest from institutional investors. Large investment firms, hedge funds, and corporations have been showing increasing interest in Bitcoin as a store of value and a potential hedge against inflation. These institutional investors often hold large amounts of Bitcoin in their personal wallets, further driving the trend of hoarding. It's also worth noting that personal wallet hoarding is not unique to Bitcoin. Many other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, also have a significant amount of value held in personal wallets. In fact, some investors hold a diversified portfolio of cryptocurrencies in their personal wallets rather than putting all of their eggs in one basket. So what does this trend of personal wallet hoarding mean for the Bitcoin market? As we mentioned earlier, it has the potential to create a supply shortage of Bitcoin, which could drive up the price due to the laws of supply and demand. This is because if more investors are holding onto their Bitcoin in personal wallets, there will be fewer Bitcoin available on the market for others to buy. In conclusion, the trend of personal wallet hoarding is a positive sign for the future of Bitcoin. It suggests that more investors are seeing Bitcoin as a valuable long-term investment and are willing to hold onto it rather than sell it for short-term gains. However, investors should also be aware of the risks associated with holding cryptocurrency in a personal wallet and take proper precautions to protect their investments. As always, we'll be keeping a close eye on developments in the world of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and we'll keep you updated with the latest news and market updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.